Hello everybody, my name is Alex, welcome to Jäger the Miniatures. In this video I'm gonna share with you how I did this conversion of a Screamer Killer for my Necron themed Tyranid Army. So without any further ado, here we go. I recently bought myself a 3D printer and this is actually the first project with it. So I downloaded a file which is very close to the GW Screamer Killer in the Leviathan box. To be honest, I think it looks even better than the GW version. I'll post a link to it in the description below, so check out this artist, he has a lot of awesome knit models. So here are the parts of the bug. Additionally to that, I also printed some Necron Void Scythe blades, which I want to use to replace the claws. Here's how the assembled body looks like, and I need to say, I really like it. Before we get to the claws, I want to add some Necron tag to the back of the body. I used some other parts from the Necron Close Combat Weapon file and printed it in different sizes. At the end I will use wire to add lightning flashes zipping from it to make the model look like it's irradiating with Necron energy. Now to the claws. First we need to cut the original claws off. I then remove the cable and the coil at the scythe blade. Then it's time to sand the parts smooth and drill some holes to later apply a pin for extra stiffness of the joint. To connect the two parts, I use milliput. Now we only need to smooth the transition between the two parts. I'm using a silicone sculpting tool for that. Well, and here we are with the first claw ready. And here are the other three. I now want to add some more detail. I therefore used the coil and the cable we just clipped off the Necron blade, like this. And here we are. While this is drying, we will create the base for this beast. To mark the position of the feet and the body, I used some paper post-it and an adding. A big base like this is perfect to have a ruin on it. To create the walls and the floor, I used 5mm cork sheets and broke them apart. I then cut off some wire to make it look like some steel rods are looking out of the concrete. This also helps to attach the walls to the floor sheet later. For the walls I used 1mm plastic card to make their surface look smooth and solid. After gluing the plastic card to the cork sheets, I added some bullet holes for some more Warzone flair. And with this, we are ready for the texture paint. To make the base look more interesting, I also added some cork leftovers, stones, sand, and an old lollipop stick. Now the only thing missing is some paint. Okay, now it's time to attach the arms to the body. Please ignore the black fork on the head of the model, I will explain that later. Pretty nice already. I will now use green stuff and the Rollmaker tool to create some cables to make the Screamer Killer look even more Necronish. I therefore create a tiny roll from green stuff and put it between the two structure plates. And voila, the cables are ready. I'm now placing these cables on the four claws to make it look like they are emerging from the arms and then connecting to the blade. This will not only add detail to the model, but also cover some sculpting mistakes. Now to the aforementioned fork. This is apart from the Necron command barge. The idea of the army theme is that the Necrons are using the Tyranids as a weapon and somehow are controlling them. I therefore place this bit on the chest of the model like a collar. And this is the final result. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave some comments and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Rave.